Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Yeah, XRP is one of the higher market cap cryptos or larger market cap cryptos that look a bit weaker than, for example, Cardano, Solana, BNB, Ethereum. It is suffering a bit, and what still annoys me a little bit in combination with that weakness is that XRP didn't make a new all-time high in the bull run 2021. As you can see here in 2017, it moved up above $3, so it did not even reach the $2 level in the 2021 bull run. So meaning that all of this, and I showed you that before, could just be a corrective wave, which indicates that in the very worst case we could see an XRP below 10 cents. Now that would not be my primary scenario, but the risk is certainly there. With exactly the combination of those two factors, no new all-time high and a potentially corrective structure, which is getting more likely given that XRP actually dropped below that 88.7% fib level at 37 cents. Yeah, so I did give you this target area a long time ago. We finally reached it. Unfortunately, we even dropped below it, and I had even to go to the higher level wave count, and even in this higher level wave count, XRP is struggling to hold the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the risk I pointed out many weeks ago already for XRP. Yeah, but overall I still at the moment give it the benefit of the doubt. I hope we really are here still in a bullish structure. This would indicate that we have made here in May 21, April 21 a wave 1. This was just another larger wave 1, and we're currently coming down here in a corrective wave in a wave 2. Yeah, I mean, generally when you do the Elliott Wave method, generally I guess any TA, you have to assume that an asset will go up. Yeah, because the overall trend always needs to be up. What is the alternative? The alternative is that the asset dies. So therefore, primarily my assumption here is that we have made an impulsive move up. We've come down here in a wave 2. Corrective wave, which normally comes into these price regions. That's all fine, but we've just dropped a little bit too low. But you know, in this current scenario, we're at least holding here in the target area. But as I said, I had already to go to the higher level wave count to make that happen and to give it one more chance here. Yeah, but still, generally, I don't think the low is already in for XRP. Looking here at the medium term or even short term wave count, no change from the last video. Yeah, so all going according to plan at the moment. We have completed down here a wave 3. This was on the 12th of May. The low was around 33 cents. We've then moved up in a wave 4, in an extended wave 4, I would say, you know, a triangle wave 4, an A, B, C, D, E triangle. That triangle count suggests that we would break out of the triangle to the downside. Yeah, because normally you would break out of a triangle to the opposite side of the wave E. We can currently see these triangles across the crypto world. Yeah, a lot of cryptos that I do cover are in such a triangle in this wave 4, and a few different ways of seeing this. You know, we can draw here a trend line from the B low to the wave D. Then we would have already broken out. Yeah, that would be even more bearish. We haven't even done that bearish enough. So it would be like that actually. Yeah, if I really use here the BD line, that would indicate we've already dropped outside of it. And to be fair, yeah, that would be not yeah, it would actually be valid. If I use the closed candles here, we're probably just about still in it. In the end, it doesn't make a great difference. What is important now in the next stage is that this swing low is broken to really confirm the further downtrend, and that swing low is at 39.9 to 40 cents. Yeah, so let's say the 40 cent level that needs to be broken. We need to get below that to really confirm here further downtrend. So what does that mean here in terms of the Elliott wave count? Well, my view is that because the wave E could have peaked here, we could already be on our way down. So what we do expect now is to see something like this. So a wave 1 here, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. To confirm that, we can count this here, the wave 1, we can count as an impulse. Yeah. Then we now need to see the wave 2. Now, could the wave 2 already be finished? Let's draw the Fibonacci retracement levels for that. Just need to find the wave 1 low here. That wave 2 would have reached the area between the 38.2 to the 50% Fib retracement. In a wave 2, you would get normally to the 50% Fib retracement at 41.4 cents. Nearly reached it, yeah, but we can assume that the wave 2 could also reach the 61.8% Fib level at 41.7 cents. So a little bit more upside is possible in this current scenario. That would make sense as well, because a wave 2 is an ABC pattern, and we can currently only count 2 waves really. So what we would want to see here in this wave 2 would be an A, a B, a C. Primarily that means higher prices expected in the wave 2 before we continue to go down further in a wave 3. Now it could already start the wave 3 low, and that would be confirmed to be below 40 cents. This is currently how I see it. A trading or a move above that wave E high, the wave E extreme, yeah, at 42.8 cents, that would invalidate the triangle. If we go above that, I have to recount this. We have to do it a bit differently then. It would still be bearish in my opinion. Yeah, we wouldn't get back here suddenly into a bull run just because we break the wave E high. We would still be in a wave 4 then. For now, I assume the wave 4 is complete. We're currently here in a phase where, and that is very important to understand, I mean, it was pretty clear to me that we had here an A, B, C, D, E. That is why we talked about it. Now, it is a phase where the market now needs to show us where do we really go, right? Because we are now in an area which is very important. You know, we are now in this area between the wave D low and the wave E high. And what is playing out now here will tell us what will happen next. So a break below wave D will, with a very high likelihood, confirm that the triangle is done, the wave 4 is done, and we go down further. A reversal up above the wave E will indicate that it might either not have been a triangle or might just be an extended triangle, and that the wave 4 isn't finished yet. So we are now in this sort of in-between space where the market now needs to give us a clear signal. Yeah. So think about it of being in a pattern that now needs to break out to indicate to us which way would it go. Higher likelihood for me, absolutely at the moment, would be a breakout to the downside. That is what I would be in favor of. It would work very well with the Elliott wave count. As I said, very short-term upside here possible in this current wave count, in the current scenario, before we then leave the triangle to the downside. That would be currently my primary scenario. And then we could, in that next wave down, we would also probably complete the overall correction. Yeah, but that might take a couple of weeks or so to play out. We would move down further, would leave the target area at 37 cents again, would break the swing low at 33 cents from the 12th of May, and then move down even lower to hopefully complete the overall correction. What would be a target that I would see as realistic to complete the overall correction? Well, I think if we really leave the target area again at 37 cents, I think we can see here a price of around 25 to 17 cents, yeah, which is below, which is in the area between that swing low, which we had here on end of January, and the beginning of that overall wave here at 17 cents. And let's hope that we will complete the overall correction then, that it is, you know, the next leg down, the next larger leg down, in my opinion, could be the last leg of the overall correction. That is also what I expect for Bitcoin. And what would be the targets for XRP in the next bull run? Let's just for now assume XRP will survive all of this, which I hope. Yeah, also think at the moment, even though I have to flag out the risk because it dropped more than other cryptos. Absolutely it did, especially more than other higher market cap cryptos. But let's assume, right, we go down to 17 cents. What would be the target in the next bull run? A wave 3, because we are currently still in a wave 2. The next larger wave up would be a wave 3. Price would be at least $3, yeah, $3.08 here, or $3.09. The 1.618 Fibonacci extension level would be the minimum that a wave 3 needs to reach, but it could of course go higher. That is just the minimum. But for that, it needs to do a long journey. Yeah, we need to break through all these resistances and break even all-time high at 198. Only then we can talk about that. Yeah, and that is currently my view about XRP. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course that I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.